Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick and easy chicken over rice for you. It's a flavorful, takes no time. But before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please take a quick moment to subscribe. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's dive in. To begin, I'm using 3 chicken thighs. They're bone-in, skin on. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil to my chicken. Then we're going to season. I'll have the seasoning down below for you guys. Mix that together just like this. Get in there, make sure the chicken is nicely seasoned. Let me mix that really quickly. Now I have a little bit of adobo seasoning, ground black pepper, paprika, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and I have some cumin in here as well. So save that for later. And your chicken should look something like this. Beautiful. All right, now we're going to set that aside. To a medium-high heat skillet, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. We're going to pan sear our chicken. Next, I'm going to place the chicken skin down, just like this. And we're going to allow the chicken to sear for about 3 minutes per side. It is time to flip our chicken over. And look at this beautiful skin on our chicken. Ooh, that's exactly what you want, okay? We're going to let that go for another 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll remove, set it aside. All right, guys, it is time to remove the chicken so we can set it aside. You're looking gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. Just set them aside. That's all we're doing. Y'all see this? They're halfway cooked. They're not fully cooked yet, so we're going to set them aside for now. Beautiful. In the same skillet, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of epis. Epis is a Haitian marinade. It's very similar to sofrito, so I'm going to add that in. Ooh. All this is flavor, okay? Next, we're going in with some carrots. Now you can add whatever veggies you have. Onion. I'm adding celery. You can add spinach. You can add pretty much anything in here. Going to fry that for a few seconds. Now, if you have garlic, you can go ahead and add some. If you don't have the epis has a lot of green veggies such as green onion, garlic, thyme, parsley, all of that good stuff, okay? Next, I'm using about half a cup of coconut milk. It's gonna be nice and creamy and fluffy and delicious. Yes, fry that together. If this is the remaining of the seasoning that I seasoned the chicken with, I'm going to add that in. And also, I'm going in with 2 cups of water. You can use chicken broth if you have some as well. Pour that in. Once the water comes to a boil like this, a little simmer. It doesn't have to start boiling all the way. We're going to add in our jasmine rice. This is uncooked rice, okay? Because I do get a lot of questions every time I make this dish. They always ask if it's cooked. Uncooked, give it a little mix, just like so. Now, you're going to place your chicken right on top, okay? Skin up. Just like this, right in the middle. Perfect. Now you're going to pour all that sauce on there. And we're going to cover this, place it in the oven, okay? Now you can cook this on a stovetop if you like. The oven always do it for me, no problem. Just pop it in there for about 30 minutes. It should be ready. So let's take it to the oven. Let's get a glove first, a mitten. All right, let's place it in the oven. There you go. Always make sure you're using an oven safe baking dish. That way we don't run into any trouble. Anyways, I'm going to let it bake for about 30 to 35 minutes on 350. See you guys in a few. All right, guys, our chicken and rice is ready. And let me tell you, all I can smell is the aroma of the coconut. So let's get into it. Woo! And don't be alarmed. Sometimes the top portion of the rice is looking a little under, but it's perfectly fine, okay? It looks so fluffy on the inside. Ooh, smells so good. You see this? I'm telling you, delicious. I know you see how juicy that chicken is. I know you did. Juicy, and I know it's gonna be delicious. Let's give it a try. Yes. Flavorful. Absolutely. Super juicy. That coconut flavor. The rice is full of flavor. All that juice, that seasoning from the chicken. Oh, let's give it another try. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. Let me know down below if you're going to try this out. If you do, come back, let me know how you like it. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? That helps me a lot. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.